Good morning, children. Open your Marigold textbook, second standard, unit 1. Yesterday, what we have learned? First day at school. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or grand. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Oh, yes, we have learned the poem yesterday. The child is thinking. I wonder. Wonder means surprise. He is thinking if his drawing will be as like other children, whether they will like as their means what they do, it will be as same as like them or no. Then the child is saying that the children will like me or just they will be staring at me. Then the teacher, he is thinking like that, his thinking is like that the teacher will be like mom or granny, grandmother, or my wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. The puppy means dog, puppy means कुत्ते का बच्चा, वो भी मेरे बारे में सोच रहा है क्या? In this way. You have to learn by heart this poem. You have to learn by heart this poem. And one more thing we have learnt yesterday, one more poem, that is this one, no? Listen, let's listen and sing. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Means we have to brush our teeth every day. We have to comb our hair every day. We have to wash our face every day. Because children, why we have to do all these things means we can, if we are clean. If we are clean, only people will like us. People will like us, yes or no? If we brush our teeth, there will be no any bad smell from our mouth. And if you don't brush, no, there will be a very dirty smell. We should comb our hair and come very fine whenever you go to the function. And we have to wash our face. Why we should wash our face? To be ourselves neat, clean and tidy. Neat, clean and tidy. Now, let's write. How many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? One has been done for you. One has been done for you. So it's here. P-O-T. This is P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Given no? This is hippopotamus. M-U-S. Hippopotamus. This is hippopotamus. This hippopotamus is given, no? From this hippopotamus, you have to find out the words and write. How to write? I will show you. Now, P-O-T, pot. See here. P-O-T, pot. Okay. Now, H-I-P, hip. Now, write here. H-I-P, hip. Then P-O-P, pop. P-O-P, pop. Then again what will you write? See here. U-S, us. U-S, us. Again what can you write here? Again what will you write here? Yes, here. H-I-T, hit. H-I-T, hit. Then you can write again P-I-T, pit. P-I-T, pit. In this way, then you can write P-O-P-O, popo. P-O-P-O, popo. See here, these are the words. P-O-T, pot. H-I-P, hip. P-O-P pop, U-S us, H-I-T hit, P-I-T pit. Many words in this hippopotamus they have given. No, in this you can make many words. Many words. Now suppose your name is see here. Just I'll show you. Your name is Sandy. Your name is Sandy. Just see here what I will. Hippopotamus, how it is you have written these words in the same way. Again some few examples I'll give you. Sandy. In this Sandy you can write here sand. S-A-N-D. See here. S-A-N-D. Sand. Then A-N-D. And. Then what will you write again? Sand and A-N. A-N. Again what will you write here? Yes, you think and say me. D-A-Y. Day. D-A-Y. Day. Sand and day. Yes, again as much as many words you can find out from this, like this. If your name is there, in the name also you can write and find out the words. You have to find out the words and write. Have you understood? In this way you have to write and say and write. Hippopotamus. Yes. Now circle what you can carry. Circle what you can carry in your school bag. तुम अपने बैग में क्या ले जा सकते हो स्कूल बैग में. Now write the names of your things in the box below. Can you take the ice cream? No. So write the names. Now write the names of your things in the box below. Circle what you can carry. What you can carry means ruler. You can carry in your bag. Then sharpener you can circle. Then pen is required. Then eraser is required. Water bottle also you can carry. Spec you can't. Tiffin bag you can carry with you. Water bottle also you can carry with you. Yes. Pencil also you can carry with you. Then okay. Fables, toy, book, ice cream. Toy we are not carrying. Books we are carrying. So you circle the book. Ice cream we can't. Toy also we are not carrying to the school. And this is fables. Fables also these are the small stones where we get near the river or beach. समुद्र के पास या नदी के पास मिलता है छोटे छोटे शाइनिंग करता है वो पत्थर. So now what you are carrying to school you have to write here. First one books. B. Yes. Can you see? No. See here. Right here. Books. After that ruler. R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. Then sharpener. S-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R. Sharpener. Then pen. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. Then water bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E. Bottle. And tiffin. T-I-F-F-I-N. Tiffin. These are the things which you can carry in your school bag. Have you understood? The books, ruler, sharpener, pen, pencil, eraser, water bottle, tiffin. And these are the things around here they have kept. Okay. Ruler, sharpener, pen, eraser, water bottle, spectacles. This is spectacle, chashma, tiffin, pencil, fables, toy, books, ice cream. Books, ice cream. This way you have to write. Now, see here. Let's do. What are the children doing? Page number 6. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. Eating, riding, going, studying, sharing, returning, laughing. Returning, laughing. Okay? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Open page number 6. Let's do. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. Eating, riding, going, studying, sharing, returning, laughing. Sharing, returning, laughing. So see here children, what this boy is doing. What this boy is doing. See here, what he is doing? He is eating. He is eating. Yes, right here, eating breakfast. What this boy is doing? He is riding a bicycle. Riding. Yes. Now tell me what this boy is doing to school. Here what will come? Going to school. See you. G-O-I-N-G. Going to school. Eating breakfast. Eating E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating breakfast. Riding a bicycle. Going to school. Then here what will come? Laughing. Laughing. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G. Laughing with friends. They are not, ये एक दूसरों को नहीं दे रहे, वो दोनों हंस रहे हैं. So laughing with friends. Then here what they are doing in the class? In the class what you do children? Study, no? They are also studying, see. Studying in class. And he is returning. He is so happy, see, while going back, he is going home from school, no? He is so happy. See here, returning, R-E-T-U-R-N-I-N-G, returning from school. Returning from school. Now, let's practice. See here. This is cursive writing. Cursive alphabets. Cursive small alphabets. See here. You have to not do anything. On this dot only, no? You just go. You are very expert in tracing and writing. Yes or no? See here. A, small a, cursive small b. This is small b. This is small cursive c. This is cursive d. This is cursive e. And this is F. This is F. Again you have to write cursive A, small a, cursive small b, cursive small c, cursive small d, cursive small e, and small cursive F. Then see here. Cursive small g, cursive small h. This is I, small I. Small cursive J, G. This is so small cursive G, H, I. This is J. This is small cursive J. This is K, small cursive K, and this is L. This is L. Okay, see here. G H I J K L. J K J K L. This is cursive A to L. I J K L. J K L. Okay, once again let's practice and read small cursive A, B, C, D, E, F. G H I J K L. I J K L. Okay, this you have to practice and write. With this we will meet in the next video, children. Take care. Thank you.